Scorpio Nations, welcome back again to my channel and to your reading. Hope you guys are doing great today wherever you are in the world. Thank you for supporting to my channel and thanks as well for joining me here, especially to all my soul family and soul tribes. You are all highly appreciated. If you're new here, welcome. Crosswatchers are also welcome. This is not your personal reading, guys. So please, do not manifest the energy of others. And I am reading with Scorpio who is on the right path. This is not for all Scorpios. Universal energy for the star sign of Scorpio. Give me that accurate reading, please. The past, the present, the future, and the outcome of this reading. What the Scorpio needs to know about everything. Love, money, career, business, and studies. Show me the cards what I need to see, please. If it will not happen to you guys, the energy could be happen to the people around you. In your family, in your workplace, in your friend circle, your partner, your ex, or in the community. For instance, your neighbors or in the society where you belong. So please use your own discernment. I know that you are one of the most intuitive sign in the zodiac. Before I start my reading, I would like to greet you all. Happy holidays, seasons, greetings to all of you. I hope you're doing well with your family and loved ones. Let me see your card readings for today, guys. I am out. I am not at home. I'm just taking my time to read a tarot card. First, we have the Ten of Wands. This is a Sagittarius energy. You could be dealing or attracting a Sagittarius. Of course, not all of you. Could also be any other sign. You drop the burdens because you realize that this is not worth to carry with. Could also be that there are people in the past who created too much burdens in your life. These are the people who wants you to carry the responsibilities and obligation for the rest of your life. And you realize that you have your own burdens to carry. Now they are the one who carry the burdens. For some of you guys, they wants to approach you. Others of you, you already gone. You cut the ties off because you are no longer clinging with the people who cause you too much burdens and pain in your mind and in your heart. Now they are the one who is bothered with your silence. It could also be that this is in your family, in your workplace, in your surroundings, the people with whom you are connected in the past. Could also be that they use and abuse you a minimum of 10 years, 10 months. And that's why I fully understand if you drop the burdens. Now they are the one who carry the burdens they cause on you. They feel how heavy the burdens they brought in your life. But you don't care because the time they created burdens in your life, they don't care as well. And this is the present situation. And congratulations that you dropped the burdens. You could be dealing or attracting a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. There could be a significant meaning to you with the number 10, number 1, 11, 11. Could also be that your twin flame is involved here or the karmic twin flame. You could be born on the 10th of the month. You could be born as well in October like me. An Aries is involved here, a Capricorn, a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Could also be any other sign. This is the closure. Take only what fits in your story. Let me see. Your challenge in this reading is the star. You could be a healer. or a chosen one. Of course, not all of you. Could also be that you are dealing with a person or a group of people who are in the public eye. Or you are the one who's in the public eye, and this person or group of people threaten with your lights, with the spotlights. This person or group of people are now awakened of who you are. They are enlightened by you. For some of these people, guys, they are feeling inspired by you. Could also be a person who's in the public eye. An Aquarius is involved here. A fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Could also be any other sign. Somebody here wants to heal the old wounds. They wants to harmonize the relationship between you and them. These are also the same people who tried to throw you under the bus by all means because you threatened their spotlights. Now they are awakened. They have seen the truth. There could also be an illumination here of all the trickery, lies, and manipulation. What they have done on you is now exposed. For some of these people, guys, they are exposed in the public. And that's why, since they are enlightened by you, for some of these people, they are also feeling inspired by you. Also, your haters. It could also be that these are the people around you who cause you too much burdens and pain in your mind and in your heart. And you drop the burdens. Since you are no longer entertaining them, they wants to make peace with you, to harmonize the relationship between you and them. Others of these people, guys, they are awakened, but it's too late. And it's up to you if you're going to accept them back in your life, because I don't know your whole story. I told you, you could be a healer or a chosen one. And that's why this person, a group of people come across into your life, because you are the one who is going to awaken them. It could also be that this is the part of your mission to this world. I told you, the universe advised you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, that you are divinely guided and protected here at the end of the tunnel. Others of you guys, you are predestined to shine. Or somebody here realized that you are a healer, and that's why they are now the one who carried the burdens, because they are now awakened. For some of these people, guys, they are feeling sorry for causing too much pain and burdens in your mind and in your heart. That's why they wants to make peace with you. And this is your challenge. The universe advised you as well to protect your energy because your light is shining bright. Could also that these are in your workplace. They wants to harmonize the relationship between you and them. Could also be in your family, in the society. Others of you guys, you don't know this person and they don't know you as well. They're just doing this because they are threatened with your spotlights. And this is your challenge. Could be an Aquarius or a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. This is also the advice from your spirit guides to continue your healing journey, to prioritize your inner peace and the tranquility of your surroundings. And do not let this person or group of people to dim your lights because yours is shining bright. They are now experiencing the burdens they brought on you in their lives. For most of you, you are innocent. And that's why they want to make peace with you. And this is your challenge. There could also be here a regeneration, um, balance is being restored here. And it could also be that this person or group of people couldn't believe and couldn't imagine how you found back the balance in your life, how you heal the pain they caused on you, because they caused so much burdens and pain in your mind and in your heart. As the saying goes on, if you couldn't beat them, join them. And this is your challenge. But protect your energy. Let me see. The spiritual lesson here is the strength. This is a Leo energy. You could be dealing or attracting as well a Leo, an Aquarius, an Aries, or a Sagittarius. Could also be any other sign or a person who is in the public eye. You could also be dealing with a person who is strong like you. This is your energy because you take back your power. You tame the beast. This is the ego and pride of somebody else. Could also that you are dealing with a person, a group of people who are egoist and proud. For some of these people, they are in the public eye. I told you. And you threaten them. And that's why the reason why they tried to throw you under the bus. Because your light is mightier than their illusion. Now that you take back your power, they have seen that you are not a weak person. You are a strong person. They only talk your kindness as your weakness. And now that you take back your power, they couldn't match your strength. All they knew is that you are weak because of your generosity, your kindness, and your compassion towards them. Could also that this is in your family or in your surroundings, the people around you. And aside from that, I feel like you are no longer entertaining them, especially the people who caused you too much pain and burdens in the past. You show them who you are. Because there are people in the past who wants to control your life, who wants to dictate you not to do that. This is the things you will do. I told you. Could also be that these are the people in your workplace. They use and abuse you for so long, a minimum of 10 years for some of you. Now this is over because you drop the burdens and we are the one who's carrying the burdens now. I told you, but you don't care because you prioritize your healing journey. And it could also be that this person is a new person and they want to approach you, but they're struggling because you are too strong. And aside from that, your light is shining bright. You have an assured successor as well. This person or group of people are now exposed. I told you. Others of you, you are no longer entertaining them. Could also be that this is your ex who betrayed you, who tried to control your life. It could also be that both of you are in the public eye, or you are dealing with a person who is attention seeker. They want all the spotlights to them, and that's why you are the threat. Now, you take back your power and you tame the beast. I told you, it could also that this is your ex who caused you too much burdens and pain in your mind and in your heart. Could also that your ex didn't know you better and you have learned your lesson. The universe advises you to stand in your power and do not let this person or group of people to dictate or to tell you who you are. I told you because all he wants to do is to control you because you are too strong. And no one can control your destiny because you are predestined to shine. You are chosen to shine. You could be also a star. You could be a celebrity, a singer, a performer, or an artist, or you are dealing with this person who's in the public eye, a person who has a high profile, a person as an authority, and now they are being exposed in the public for what they have done to you because they tried to throw you under the bus. I told you because you are the treat of their spotlights. Take only what fits in your story. Let me see. The other past situation is the Two of Wells. This is a Capricorn energy. You could be dealing or attracting as well an earth sign. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, not necessary. Could also be a person who's in the public eye. Could also that these are the couple who are now juggling the relationship and their financial matters. This is the part of their karma for coming against you. I told you. And you have balance because you found balance. You choose to heal and to be happy. I told you. Despite of all the burdens they cause on you. Now, Whatever they wish on you, they are the one who is experiencing this. I told you, because they are coming against a healer, against a chosen one. For some of these people, guys, they are losing their opportunity, they are losing job, could also the relationship shambles for coming against you because they wants to unbalance you in the past. Now they are the one who is experiencing this. Could also that this is a couple and they wants to approach you. This could also be the people, a group of two people. There could be a significant meaning for you with a number 2, 20, 22, 12, 21, 222. This could also be that your soulmate is involved here. A soulmate is not necessarily a lover, could also be a friend or a family. Or this person are now juggling because you are no longer entertaining them anymore. Could also be that they need your support because they are experiencing crisis. Of course, for most of you guys, you manage to balance your life because, I mean, you manage to heal the old wounds they caused on you. For some of you, you could also be losing financial matters because of this person. Could also be that they scam your money or they tried to block your creativity in the past. But your light is shining bright. You shine though because you are predestined to shine. Now the other one who is struggling, juggling the relationship, and it could also be that they scam your money. There could be a money problem here. Or somebody here is paying somebody else to destroy you. They are investing too much in your life that they forgot to invest their own lives. And now they are juggling, but you don't care because they don't care as well. That time they did this to you. A couple or an earth sign is involved here. A Leo, an Aquarius, Sagittarius, Aries, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Let me see. The current situation here is the Knight of Swords. This is an Aquarius energy. You could be dealing or attracting an Aquarius, of course, not all of you. Somebody could also be wants to talk with you. This person could also be reckless or impulsive, or they are raging to talk with you because they are now enlightened of who you are. They perceive you as well as a healer, or they are scared to expose further in the public because of what they have done on you. You could be a public speaker, a light worker, a tarot card reader like me. And now somebody wants to communicate with you. This person is stressing to approach you because they wants to tell you the truth. Others of you guys, if you have problem in the court, you are going to receive the truth. This could also be a decision in the court. And if you are on the right path, this is the truth about you. I am reading with Scorpio who is on the right path. Or they are raging to talk with you because they are scared to expose further in the public. Could also be that this person is in the public eye. I told you. Could also be that they are scared to expose further of what they have done on you. Could also be a normal person who are collaborating against you to dim your lights for whatever reason because of jealousy and envy. Because there are people nowadays who are triggered with your aura, with your frequency, because you are intense. And aside from that, only the people who are low vibrational spirits are triggered with your energy. These are the people who refuse to accept their dark shadows, and that's why they have seen that on you. You could be a mirror of their poor, unhealed souls. It doesn't matter if they are rich with money. When I said low vibrational spirits, this is related to their spirits, their soul. And that's why they did this to you. Now they want to talk with you. An Aquarius is involved here. Gemini, Libra, Leo, Aries, Sagittarius, Virgo, Capricorn, Taurus. Let me see. The future here is the Hangman. Somebody here have an epiphanis. For some of you guys, you have an epiphanis. You have seen the truth of who they are and their intention towards you. These are also the people who tried to sacrifice you. By all means, they did abracadabra. They engaged you to coven, witchcraft, because they want to see you suffered. They want to. There are people who loves to see you sacrifice. That's why they sacrifice you to the coven. They are doing, I mean, black magic, witchcraft, and others of these people, guys. This could also be in your workplace. This is the future. I feel like they doesn't want to suffer in silence anymore because they are now exposed in the public. I told you. These are one of the wishes on you, and now they are the one who is experiencing this. And there could be more exposure here in the public, and that's why they wants to talk with you. They wants to tell you the truth. They wants to give you balance. Pisces is involved here. It could also that this person is, I mean, a practitioner and they lied on you. Somebody is paying this practitioner. Could also be that these are in your workplace. The people around you in your family could also be your ex in the community or in the society. For some of you, you don't know them. You don't know. They don't know you. You don't knew them as well. Now they couldn't carry the burdens anymore. You look, your first card is they are the one who carry the burdens. They wants to drop the burdens. That's why they wants to tell you the truth. I told you, they doesn't want to suffer in silence anymore. This is the part of their karma for what they have done on you. Pisces is involved here. Let me see. Or somebody who wants to trap you. That's why I said always listen to your intuition. You took a leap of faith. And that's why you have lots of infinite potential. Others of you guys, your advisor to get out from your comfort zone because you have lots of infinite potential. It could also be that somebody here wants to take a rest towards on you to tell you the truth of what they have done on you because they couldn't carry the burdens anymore. They suffered in silence. I told you. I don't know what they have done on you because everyone is different. I couldn't specify because this is general reading. This is not your personal reading. Again, an Aquarius or an Aries is involved here. Somebody here wants to take a rest towards on you, to drop the burdens, to tell the truth because they couldn't carry the burdens anymore. They suffered in silence because of what they have done on you. This is one of their wishes on you, and now they are the one who is experiencing this. In the past, I feel like this person or group of people perceive you that you are crazy, you are idiot, you are gullible. Could also be that this is in your workplace who are laughing at you because they didn't see your value. Now they have seen your value. You are too strong, and they also enlightened of who you are. You could be a healer, the star. And that's why somebody is waiting to talk with you because they couldn't carry the burdens anymore. They want to take a rest. The universe advises you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, to be very strategic and to listen to your intuition, especially if these are the past people. An Aries or an Aquarius is involved here. Pisces, Aquarius, 3 times confirmation, or you are dealing with three people. Aquarius energy. Leo, Pisces, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Let me see. The outside influencer is the Knight of Wands. This is a Sagittarius energy. You could be dealing or attracting a Sagittarius. Of course, not all of you. You are no longer dealing with a player. You said goodbye because you have learned your lesson. I told you. Instead, you use your passion. You bring your dreams into a reality and align with your passion because you are very passionate and driven. And aside from that, there are lots of people who are adoring you, feeling inspired by you. This person couldn't resist you, but you are no longer entertaining a player because you have learned your lesson. It could also be that this is your ex who betrayed you with a one night stand, and now they're still adoring and admiring you. That's why they want to talk with you. Others of you guys, you're no longer entertaining them because you have learned your lesson. If this is your ex or a new person, this is not a real deal. This is a person who is only in and out of your life, a one night stand or a fling, and you are no longer entertaining them, or somebody here spread lies and rumors about you that you are a Casanova, you sleep with different partners or a Jezebel spirits, and now the truth come out because this is an elimination. This person was the one who did it. I told you. And that's why he wants to tell you the truth because they suffered in silence. A Sagittarius is involved here. Could also be any other sign. Let me see. Your hopes and fears is the Knight of Cups. This is your energy because you love yourself unconditionally. It could also be that this person is your crush or your admirer. Somebody who wants to offer you something. This could also be a cup of love, or this person wants to tell you that they are feeling inspired by you. They wants to support you. Could be a Scorpio, could also be any other sign. Could also be that this person is younger than you or you are younger than this person. This person is not, a reckless person. They will travel towards you slowly but surely. Could be during Scorpio season or spring season. A water sign, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, but this is the energy of a Scorpio. Could also be any other sign. And this is your hopes and fears. The universe advises you to always listen to your intuition. Do not second guess your gut instinct. Because not all people who say they loves you, they mean it. For some of these people, guys, they only wants to bluff you. Because they wants to ride on with your success. Because you have an assured success, the star. Could also, these are the people in the public eye. Or the people who are attention seeker. Could also be a normal, an ordinary person like you, or you are in the public eye. The outcome is the Seven of Wands. You are protected, and this person wants to protect you because this person has seen the truth. They are enlightened by you. They are awakened. Could also be that this person is in the public eye. Remember, 3 times confirmation here with an Aquarius. A Leo. There could be a significant meaning for you with the number 77077. Please pay attention. 7227. Could also that these are the group of people in the past who believe that they can in and out of your life now that you stand in your power because you are very resilient. You protect your energy, your territory, your family if you have. They couldn't in and out of your life anymore because you set a healthy and clear boundaries. That's why they're struggling on how to approach you. That's why they suffered in silence. I told you, these are also the people who spread lies and rumors about you, who created too much burdens in your life and pain for whatever reason because of jealousy and envy. They couldn't stand your aura. For most of you guys, you are the catalyst of their lives. That's why they come across in your life. A Leo is involved with Aries, Sagittarius, or the power of 7. This is your spiritual awakening or somebody who is awakened. Somebody who is enlightened by you. That's why they want to tell you the truth. They are raging to talk with you. For some of these people, they want to take a risk. I told you. And they want to offer you support. They want to tell you they loves you. Could also be in your family, in your workplace, your ex. Could also be the people in the society or your neighbors. Can you imagine? They did this to you a minimum of 7 years, a minimum of 10 years for some of you. This is too much, right? A minimum of 2 years. 7227 is significant on this reading. 1221. is also significant in this reading. Please pay attention. Now they are struggling because of your higher boundaries. A fire sign, a water sign, an earth sign, and an air sign is involved here. I told you, and this is the outcome. They want to cross the borders of your limitation. I don't know if they can cross the borders of your limitation. Oh my gosh. Why the star in this reading? Please tell me more about the star here, please. It is clarified as the miracle. You could be a miraculous person, you could be a healer, or you could be a person who has sacred insights, a psychic abilities, or you could be a high priestess, or you are dealing with a person who has also a psychic abilities like you. And that's why they treat in with your lights, with your profession. Take what resonates because everyone is different. I feel like for some of these people, guys, they did this to somebody else and it works. They throw somebody else under the bus, but when it comes to you, it didn't work. That's why they perceive that you are a miracle. Or this person is enlightened. They are no longer egoist. That's why somebody wants to talk with you. They perceive you as a miracle because everything they have done on you are now exposed. You could also be a public speaker, a light worker, a tarot card reader, an influencer. Could also be that they are feeling enlightened by you. They have seen that whatever they have done on you, it didn't work. And that's why they couldn't believe. They perceive you as a miracle. Or because of you, they are awakened, they are enlightened, they are forever changed. A person is in the public eye is involved here. An Aquarius could also be as well. Could also be the sign involved here is involved in this particular situation. Or these are the group of people who are in the public eye. They perceive you as a miracle, a healer. Because you could be a healer, a chosen one. And that's why you enlighten them, you awaken them. But also that these are in your workplace. They perceive you that you are an idiot, you are gullible now, no more. Because they are awakened of who you are. And this is could be a person is in the public eye. You look. There could be a significant meaning for you. The number 32, 23, 33, 30, number 3, 20, 2, 2, 2. Please pay attention. You could be dealing or attracting as well an a Leo, Gemini, or Taurus. Could also be a people who is in the public eye, a group of people. Aquarius is involved here as well. All the signs involved here. Let me see why the hangman in this reading, please. It is clarified as slunge. This is the sun. An illumination after illumination. You look, the star and the sun come out in this reading. They are being exposed in the public. For some of these people, guys, there could be a child involved here. Somebody could also be blackmailed you with children. There could be an exposure as well related to children, adoption, surrogacy, pregnancy, parenthood. Now that they are exposed and they are enlightened of who you are, I told you, you could be a healer, a chosen one. And that's why they want to harmonize the relationship between you and them. They want to give you balance because they are suffered in silence for what they have done on you. A Leo is involved here, double confirmation, the strength and the sun. Or a person is in the public eye, a celebrity, a singer, a rock star, an artist, a model. I don't know what they have done on you. Could also be a person in your surrounding, a people in your surroundings. They did this to you because they are triggered with your frequency. As a chosen one and as a healer, this is normal because you triggered their demons and you are the one who is going to awaken them. For some of these people, they have seen the truth, they knew the truth, but they're still believing the lies because they refuse to heal, they refuse to evolve. And this is an awakening call. You choose to heal, to be happy. There could also be a significant meaning for you about a children or a child or somebody here using a child to have an access in your life, or There could be a significant meaning for you with a child, or you could be pregnant and you're going to give birth to a newborn child or a newborn ideas. Congratulations. This is your energy because this is like the vibrancy of summer come into your life, and that's why he wants to heal as well the old wounds between you and them. They suffered in silence. That's why they are reaching to talk with you, because they knew that there could be an exposure after exposure of all the things they have hidden in the dark. These are the trickery, lies, and manipulation. Well, good luck wherever you are. There could be a significant meaning for you with the number 550, 55. Please pay attention. Now he wants to heal the old ones between you and them, because they couldn't carry the burdens anymore. They are being exposed. They suffered in silence. In the past, they wants you to suffer in silence. Now, plot twist. The table turns. And that's why he wants to heal the old wounds between you and them. A Pisces is involved here. Or a person is in the public eye. Or you are the one who's in the public eye, or both of you. Why the Knight of Swords in this reading? Please tell me more. A strong leadership. That's why they are reaching to talk with you, because they are now awakened of who you are. You have a strong leadership. I told you, you could be like a mediator and you are focused. They have seen that you are in a leadership position, and that's why they wants to talk with you, because they are scared that their trickery, lies, and manipulation is further exposed. I don't know what they have done on you. A person or a group of people who is in the public eye, could also be the people around you, could also be in your workplace. I told you, there could be a significant meaning for you with the number 14, 41, number 4, 40, 44. Please pay attention. This could also be your birthday, the day of your birthday, the year, your age, or that person you are dealing with. You look 14, 41, 44, 40. Number 1, number 10, 11, 11 is significant in this reading, or your twin flame is involved here. An Aquarius is involved here as well. 11, 11 house. Aries, Leo, 1 plus 4, 5. Cancer, Aquarius, 3 times confirmation. Now they are reaching to talk with you. Take only what fits in your story, because everyone is different. Why the Seven of Wands in this reading? Illusion. You look now, they realize that you are not an illusion, because their illusion are being exposed. They wants to talk with you because somebody here wants to protect you. In the past, they heard the rumors about you that you are not the way you say you are. You are like this, you are like that. Now they are awakened, they are enlightened of who you are. The sun and the star come out here. You expose the illusion, because your light is mightier than the illusion. And that's why they wants to talk with you. They wants to take a rest towards on you. You are not an illusion. Now this person is enlightened that you are not an illusion. He wants to protect you, but you are divinely protected as well with your divine ancestors and your divine spirits. There could be a significant meaning for you with the number 2992, number 9, 90, 99, number 2, 20, 22. Please pay attention. A Taurus, a Sagittarius, and an Aquarius is involved here. Or these are the people who painted illusion on you. Now they are reaching to talk with you because they suffered in silence. Illusion is a lie. You are not an illusion. You are the way you say you are. From the very beginning, you are the one, you are the truth. You say who you are. And there are people who misjudge you and painted illusion on you. Now they are being exposed. Now they want to approach you, but you are setting a healthy and clear boundaries. Of course, I fully understand, because they slandered your name. Oh my gosh, wherever you are, go and heal yourself. Alea's involved her, Taurus, Sagittarius, Aquarius. Could also be any other sign. Sorry guys, there's uh, a little, what do you call this, sounds here because I'm in the room of a guest house. I'm outside home. I am not at home. Why does why the sun in this reading? Please tell me more. Sorry. Why the oh my gosh. Why the 10 of Wands in this reading? Please tell me more. That is clarified as peace. I told you, he wants to make peace with you because they couldn't carry the burdens anymore. A fire sign is involved here as well. Virgo, Leo, Aries. Could also be all the signs involved here. The group of people who are collaborating against you could also be in the public eye. Now they are exposed. Now they suffered in silence because of the illusion depended on you. Now they wants to make peace with you. And it's up to you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. If you are going to accept them back in your life. Remember, forgiveness is important here. But I don't know your whole story. That's why I don't know as well. Okay, let me see. Why the why the strength in this reading? Let's tell me more about the strength. It is clarified as abundance. I told you, they are now awakened of who you are. Somebody have perceived you that you can create a great things to become a successful person. You see, they are all awakened of who you are. You could be belong to a royal blood in your past. I told you. You could also be a person who is a high valued person. In the past, they perceived you as an idiot, as an illusion. Now no more. Because whatever the wishes on you, they are now the one who is experiencing this. That's why he wants to make peace, to harmonize the relationship between you and them. That ends your readings for today. I hope you enjoy your reading. And if this resonates to you guys, just don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, comment, and share. Thank you for joining me here once again. Until the next time, I love you all.